This new hair powder instantly eliminates bald spots and thin hair so you look your absolute best. Simply apply a small amount of the natural-looking hair fibers to fix problem areas in seconds. Losing your hair is difficult, but sadly, most hair growth products simply don't work. Mike Viscovich created Boldify to help people feel great about their hair, even if they're starting to lose it. It quickly went viral, selling out overnight. It even won the 2023 Women's Health Award. Click here to get Boldify now.
I have in my hand is the Hairline powder by Boldify. It's got a little mirror, comes with a little sponge here, and all you do is tap the powder and put it on your hairline. And as you can see, the part line is now less obvious. Here is the before and here is the after.
Here's a hack if you've been wearing your hair in a ponytail all summer. I've been using the Boldify hairline powders to fill in any gaps when I put my hair back. I've been using the shade medium brown. It's so easy to use. It's great for on the go. I'm obsessed.
After years of hiding my bald spots in my thinning hair, I finally found a trick that makes me feel great. I lost pretty much all my confidence when my hair started to get thinner. I didn't feel like myself anymore. I got more shy at work and avoided going out on dates because I was sure it was all anyone would focus on. And even if they weren't, I was focusing on it, which made life miserable anyway. But recently, my hairdresser recommended this hairline powder from Boldify. I feel amazing after applying a bit of Boldify. It really makes me feel like myself again. If your hair isn't quite as thick and full as it used to be, please don't be like me and struggle for so many years. The confidence hit isn't worth it. Just get Boldify and keep looking your best.
I have a secret. I actually have some major bald spots. But none of my friends know. And they never will. I tried everything to get rid of my bald spots, including yoga and stress reduction and serums and even expensive treatments, but nothing really did the trick. And some of them even made it worse. Then I ran into a friend of mine who used to have a huge bald spot and thinning hair, and they looked incredible. I asked them what they'd been doing, and they told me about Boldify. Boldify makes my hair look amazing, thick, full, and without any signs of bald spots. Boldify made me feel like myself again for the first time in years. So if you're struggling with hair loss or thinning or bald spots, you've got to try it.